All right, I just bought a 1988 560 SEC Mercedes with under 100,000 miles on it. Sight unseen. I flew all the way from Florida to Oregon to purchase the vehicle without even seeing it, except through videos and pictures that were sent over the previous weeks. And then we're gonna drive it all the way back to Florida, which is over 3,000 miles away. We're gonna make some pit stops along the way in LA, Phoenix, Dallas. This is either gonna be an expensive mistake or a steal of a deal. It was originally posted around $16,000, dropped down to $13,000, and then after the inspection, I got it closer towards $10,000. Known oil leak, transmission leak, and then just needing new tires and other things for sitting for 4 years. So yeah, let's see how this turns out. All right, so here's the first start. And she's sounding good. So off to a good start, no pun intended. Let's go check out the engine that you sent. Those videos you sent helped a lot. I really appreciate it. And it's, I mean, the engine sounds good too. I mean, sounds good, looks good. And then here we are with the drive. It's running beautifully. So despite the known issues, it's still in great mechanical shape. All right, so right here, we finally got the 560 SEC, 1988, 94,000 miles, and she is a baddie. A little bit of smoke at first, and typical when they sit, a little bit of dry rot. Get the tires replaced a little bit, at least it's not on the side. Everything else, though, looks so clean. Let me show you. It is. Quick side note that I did forget to mention in this video is that there was a known transmission and oil leak, which is why I was able to get it down from 13,000 to 10,000, and it was originally posted at 16,000. But I mean, still, for that price and this condition, even needing that work, whew, let's check it out. All right, a little bit of grill work. I already knew that was needed. A few $100. Look at that beautiful back seat. The details on this car are just insane. Such solid vehicles. So there she is, the 560 SEC 1988 baddie. That's the pinnacle of German engineering in the late 80s, early 90s before they really switched over. All right, so now we're on a drive here with the vehicle, and this is before any work that's been done on it, and just bought it. No inspection from the shop, only my own personal inspection, but she is driving beautifully. Beautiful sunset. The interior is definitely just, it's in great shape. This car is well taken care of. So despite the engine issues that it had with the leak and stuff, and here's the engine right here, we got it cleaned up so that we can get a better diagnosis of exactly where the leak is coming from. We know the transmission pan needs a new gasket. That was pretty straightforward. So yeah, it's ready for the shop for a more in-depth look. And again, I mean, just looking at the interior, exterior, and even the engine bay and the other components, this thing is in phenomenal shape for $10,000. So hopefully I don't have to put too much more in it, but it's not gonna break the budget. All right, and yeah, so here she is, looking extra beautiful, all cleaned up, ready for the shop for an in-depth inspection. Now, I know I've got the dealership on the backdrop of this pic and of the last video. I do not take my vehicles to the dealership unless I have to. I've got a C63 that I recently took for some warranty work, and everything went great, but overall, as we all know, they overcharge, and especially with these older Benzes, they don't always have those master mechanics on board that are able to do the level of diagnosis and repair on these vehicles, because it really is kind of like a lost knowledge on working with these older, not just Mercedes, but you know, a lot of older cars, especially German older cars. But yeah, so it's just a cool pick, and so far everything is looking great, and I got a steal of a deal around $10,000. So far she's driving great, looking great. We'll see what the shop has to say, and even if I do have to take a little bit of a hit of it, I mean, we're still well within the budget. So yeah, stick around and we'll see you in the next video.